Hi guys and welcome back. It's good to see you. I hope that you are ready to learn some new things. Let's jump right in. In this video, we'll be having a look at mathematics. We'll be doing week 1 and week 2. What this means is that you can use these videos for this week and next week. The videos will be broken down in different parts. This video is part 1. Let's have a look at what we will be doing in this video. This video is about numbers, operations, and relationships. Let's see what we do under numbers, operations, and relationships. First, we will be looking at mental maths. Then, counting objects. Number concept development. Addition and subtraction. And then last but not least, multiplication and division. Hold on to your hats, friends, and if you are ready, let's jump right in. Our first one will be mental maths. For our mental maths, we will be ordering numbers. Let's have a look at our instructions. Order numbers up to 6. From the smallest to the biggest. This means I must order it from the smallest number to the biggest number. Let's have a look at our numbers that they gave us. Please feel free to say them with me. 2, 5, 1, 3, 6, 4. Good job, friends. Now, we need to order them from the smallest number to the biggest number. Have a look, friends. Which one is my smallest number? Yes, 1 is my smallest number. So I'm going to put 1 first. What number is slightly bigger than 1? Yes, friends, 2. So I'm going to add 2. Let's have a look at which number is slightly bigger than 2. 3. Let's add 3. There we go. Which number comes after 3? Can you remember? 4, friends. You are so brilliant. Let's add 4. We only have 2 left to go. Let's quickly have a look, friends. Does 6 come after 4? No, 6 is our biggest number, so that means our biggest number must go last. So after 4, I need to add 5. Good job. Then our last number, our biggest number is 6. Let's quickly recap. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, friends. That was ordering numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Let's move on. We are not going to stop there, friends. We are not done ordering numbers yet. Let's look at our next instructions. Order numbers up to 6, from the biggest to the smallest. So this time it is done in reverse. Where we did our smallest number first just now, now we are going to do our biggest number first. Let's have a look at our numbers that they give us. And please feel free to jump right in and say them with me. 2, 5, 1, 3, 6, 4. Good job. Let's start ordering them. Can you remember our instruction? It says from the biggest back to the smallest. Can you see our biggest number? 6. Yes, friends, 6 is my biggest number. Can you see which number is slightly smaller than 6? 5. 5 is slightly smaller than 6. When we count backwards, can you remember what number comes after 5 when counting backwards? 4. 4 comes after 5 when counting backwards. Friends, what number is slightly smaller than 4? 3. 3 is slightly smaller than 4. Friends, we are only left with 2 now. Let's see. Can I put 1 next to 3? No, friends. 1 is my smallest number. So that means I am going to add 2. Then my smallest number is going to be 1. Good job, friends. You are so clever. Let's quickly recap. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was ordering numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Well done. Now we can move on to our next category, friends, counting objects. First, we will be counting forward from 1 to 20. And I know you know this, friends, so please jump right in and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done, friends. Now, let us count backwards from 20 to 1. Please count with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are so clever. Friends, now we can move on to number concept development. Remember, last week we did number names and number symbols up to 5. Today we will be learning a new one. Our new number, name and symbol is 6. Say it with me. 6. Let us quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, friends. That was 6. Now we can move on to addition and subtraction. And I hope you can remember our characters, addition and subtraction. Today, we are going to learn how to do addition and subtraction using a number line. Let us jump right in, doing addition using a number line. Friends, this is what a number line looks like. It has a minus side and a plus side. We will be using a little frog to help us jump to the correct answer. Let's add in our numbers and feel free to count with me, starting at the number 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's have a look at when we do minus. When I do minus, that means I am going to count backwards on my number line. Let's have a look at plus. When I do plus, I am going to count forward on my number line. Let's jump right in and have a look at what we are doing. We are doing addition, adding, plus. Let's have a look at our addition sum. 3 plus 2. Let's find 3 on our number line. Yes, there is number 3. Use your little frog to jump forward 2 because remember, we are adding. So that means we have to count forward. And how many do we have to count forward? 2. So let's use our little frog and jump 2. 1, 2. Can you see where we ended? Yes, 5. We ended at 5. That means 5 is our answer. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. Well done, friends. You are so clever. Next up, we will be doing subtracting using a number line. Remember, this is what my number line looks like. It has a minus side and it has a plus side. Can you remember what we use when using a number line to help us with our answers? Yes, friends, we use our little frog. Let's add in our numbers. But because we are doing subtraction this time, I want us to count backwards from 10 to 0. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, friends. Remember, when I do subtraction, I count backwards. When I do addition, I count forwards. Let's have a look with what we are busy with. We are busy doing subtraction, minus, taking away. Let's have a look at our subtraction sum. 6 minus 4. Let's find 6 on our number line. Yes, there is 6. With what are we busy with? Subtracting. So we need to count backwards. Take your little frogs and help me count backwards. How many do I have to count backwards? 4, because it's 6 minus 4. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. On what number did I land? 2. Yes, friends, that means my answer is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Well, friends, that was adding and subtracting using a number line. Let us move on to the last part for this video, multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, we will be having a look at equal sharing and grouping. And friends, what best way to do this than using a story time? I have 5 lollipops. Let's quickly count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now I want you to meet 2 friends of mine, Vanessa and Ben. We now have to take these lollipops and share them equally so that our friends have the same amount of lollipops. Let's start sharing. I give Vanessa one lollipop. I give Ben one lollipop. So each one now have one lollipop and I am left with 3 lollipops. I give Vanessa another lollipop. I give Ben another lollipop. I now am left with only 1 lollipop. I cannot share this lollipop because if I were to give Vanessa a lollipop, it would be unfair because then she would have 3 and Ben would have 2. And I cannot give Ben the 3rd lollipop because then he would have 3 and Vanessa only 2. So I am left with 1 lollipop. Let's quickly count how many lollipop each friend got. Vanessa got 1, 2 lollipops. Ben got 1, 2 lollipops. And I am left with 1 lollipop. That means there are 2 groups of equal 2 lollipops and I am left with 1 lollipop. Good job, friends. You did great, friends. I hope to see you soon. And remember, be good.